Hi, this is Mikelat from Building Aspirations once again with a great email marketing message. I'm going to walk you through what it looks like and how you can tap into some great strategies for your own email marketing. This is an email marketing message from Victoria Byrne of Creative Marketing Services right here. Keep her contact information handy. I've known her for a number of years. She is a class act. She is located in Orange County, California. Now, what she does is she's using a constant contact template right here. So it looks beautiful because it is beautiful. But if you don't have creative abilities, if you're not a graphic artist, that's okay. Constant Contact, and this is the tool that she uses, has templates that you can leverage. So if you want to use something similar to this, but just kind of change up the colors for you, you can do that with a template. You don't need to be the best graphic artist. So she sends it out and she says tips to update your Google listing for enhanced results. So she's high value oriented right away in the subject line. You got to get my attention because my inbox is full. Get my attention. She starts with some good branding at the top. Upcoming events. Mark, this month we have a great lineup of free webinars right here. She's got a monthly tip right here, and then she pushes you to read the article, right? You kind of give me a snippet, a little bit of a teaser of what you're going to tell me, and then you push me to your website, for example, to get more. Then she has information about the webinar right here, some time, and then a big old fat registration button. Nice little graphic, and then an obvious call to action, easy for me to find. Nice seminar promotion here, nice graphic, another call to action right here, another seminar, another nice graphic, another call to action, all very consistent with her overall branding. And then she ends with her branding information right there. So you see that relatively short, sweet, crisp, clean, but still a lot of great information. This is an example of a well-constructed, well-designed email marketing message. If you need help with marketing in general, connect with Victoria. If you need some help with your email marketing, connect with me with one of the links just below this video. This has been Mikelat with Building Aspirations. And if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button to get notifications of new videos. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.